That is the bridge for bullet train. And actually we have that here. So that people won't forget the history of that bridge. And actually its construction was begun in 1963 and finished in 1969. That's according to the Japanese calendar. 38 is equivalent to 1963 and 44 is equivalent to 1969. So meaning to say it was constructed or beginning to be constructed in 1963 and finished in 1969. And this bridge connects the railway from the capital Nagoya going to the south. And as you can see, there are some historical working courses here. Like those in the pictures, that of the shrine, and some historical establishments. These are some places worth to visit here. It is very noticeable here that every road is rich in traffic signs like those. And also the sidewalk is a blind friendly sidewalk. That is why it is normal here that you can see a blind walking alone with only a stick at hand. So they just use this markings here for them to be able to go to the destination that they want to go. And vending machine. So we are going to cross that bridge so that we can get into the shrine somewhere over there. So we are on the bridge right now, crossing the other side, and hopefully we can see immediately the shrine, the local shrine here, that is said to be well maintained. So let's check it. So you have to go this way and we look at the shrine. Let's see how magnificent, how beautiful, and how clean it is. So we are at the shrine now. This actually is an old one. Although its shrine is a common sight here in Japan, but of course some have more depth concerning its historical significance. Okay, let's go inside. So this is the Torii gate. This is the main entrance actually. So this is made up of wood. What's this? I think there's a water here during the celebration of this shrine. I think it is going to be full of water, wherein people, visitors who come here can wash their hands. And this shrine is located close to the public elementary school in this area. It is well maintained, so as you can see. And so to respect their religious tradition. I think it is open for public during festival here. So this is the Torii gate that symbolizes the entrance going to the shrine. And of course, with my previous video, as I said, Torii gate is or implies when you are entering it, you are leaving the profane world behind and you are entering a sacred place. So what you can appreciate in every shrine like this are the trees inside of it. So you can feel the serenity and you can feel the nature as well. So there you have it. So the stone, actually it's a stone, and there's an engraved thing that's historical notes regarding the shrine. There must be some dates here, but unfortunately it's not written in numbers, but I think this is all about the dates written in kanji, and this is a bit of history of this shrine. And of course that is a public elementary school. And the shrine, the symbol of the shrine. Normally it is made up of woods, but here it is made up of concrete. So there's a hole here. I think there is a meaning, religious meaning of this one, but I exactly don't know. And of course, since there's a public elementary school here, there's that traffic sign. And so the plant in the middle of the road, or almost in the middle of the road, to keep the vehicles run slowly, because there is a school here and probably children are crossing this road. So this is the public elementary school here, and there's a lot of things that you can appreciate or you can commend regarding the public elementary school. They have almost a complete facilities here. So just like swimming pool, which is not present in some other countries' schools, but here they always have a swimming pool, even in elementary. And some sports facilities like soccer over there. And I think there is an indoor sports gym as well for basketball. So if you just want to walk around, breathe some air, inhale and exhale, outside of your apartment or your house, you can just walk around this area. It is clean and safe. So you can just imagine you are living in the city like this, so much integrated with nature. Those are new buildings being built just last month, and soon they will be finished. So that's the modern type of Japanese housing right now. Some are 2 stories and some are 3-story buildings. And of course, residentials over there and factories here.